Food Processing Skills Canada presents Succeeding at Work. Food is life, and eating is one of the most important things we do every day. But how often do you think about the food you eat and where it comes from? Food, safe food, is what we all want for our families. Did you know Canada is #1 in the world in food safety? Have you ever thought about who makes the food you eat? We do. Our Canadian population is growing, and people need to eat. And that means jobs, all kinds of jobs. Food and beverage manufacturing is the largest manufacturing sector in Canada. In fact, 1 in 8 jobs in Canada are in the food industry. Did you know it takes 28 different kinds of jobs to make one pizza? So whether you are looking for a job for now or a career forever, enroll in the Succeeding at Work program, where you will benefit from a free 4-week training program and a 3-week paid work placement to launch your new start. Succeeding at Work offers sought-after, comprehensive programming and nationally recognized certificates the industry is asking for. Not only will you be extensively trained, but you will also learn how to get and keep that job. This 4-week training program is worth more than $25,000 for each participant. That is a lot of investment in you. The best part, included is a 3-week paid job placement when you are finished your training with employers who want to hire our program graduates. If you are eligible to work in Canada, you can apply. No experience is needed and age doesn't matter. And participants who are getting employment insurance will still be able to receive payments during the program without penalty. So whether you are facing employment challenges, or you are a new Canadian, or you are interested in a new career in Canada's food industry, we are looking for you. Contact us while we still have openings. Find out more information at succeedingatwork.ca. Success starts here. $25,000 in free training, nationally recognized certificates, and a great start with a new job. Choose success. It's waiting for you. For more information, visit our website, succeedingatwork.ca. This project is funded by the Government of Canada's Labour Market Partnership Support Measure National Essential Skills Initiative Program and brought to you by Food Processing Skills Canada.